Cotton also has its fair share of nematode issues. One of the characteristic symptoms of nematode problems is patches where we see stunting, chlorosis, and we also can pull up some of those plants and see some reduced root vigor, and we can also see necrosis where there may be some lesions from nematodes and secondary fungi coming in and colonizing those roots. One of the other problems with nematodes is that it's difficult to get a good grasp of how many are out there, and that's where it's important to take a nematode sample. So when we're taking samples from a field like this where we have that hot spot, it's good to take a picture of not only the hot spot, but the entire field as a whole to decide on what type of management decisions you need to make. So when we're sampling, getting a good random pattern to capture not only that hot spot, but the entire field as well. One of the many things that we can do for nematodes in cotton is we can either use a contact nematicide directly to the soil surface, or we can use something like a seed treatment. In recent trials where we've had seed treatments and contact nematicides applied directly to the soil, we see a better impact from those contact nematicides that are applied at planting and during the growing season as opposed to those seed treatments. So in high pressure environments, it's good to have a second activity other than just a seed treatment. So there's several different nematodes that are important to think about in cotton. Primarily, we're going to be looking at root knot nematode. Of that, the southern root knot nematode is the most prevalent in North Carolina and affects the most cotton producers. We're also focusing in on Meloidogyne and Terralobii, and that's that nematode that we've been recently talking about in extension because of its impacts on not only cotton, but rotational crops like sweet potato and tobacco. It also can affect soybean as well. So one of the things that we're doing in our research team is to look at different treatments and their impacts on not only southern root knot nematode, but also Meloidogyne and Terralobii. So our field research this year is looking at 2 different varieties and how those react whenever we include nematicides into that program. So if you'd like more information on root knot nematode, lesion nematode, or any other nematodes in cotton, check out the Cotton Portal. There's lots of great information.